Hello. Welcome to this download, I can say. It's an important download. I think the title of this video would be Health and the King and Queen Souls. So, the veil is unlifting with the information that is coming through. And the information is not coming through the parts that you may be familiar with. The information is coming through the earth for you. Well, let's say half the information that you need. We are in great peril at this present point in time, and those of us who have been on this journey for decades have understood that we must put ourselves as the guinea pig and go through this fear paradigm with certainty and not uncertainty. Therefore, a lot of us were born in traumatic circumstances. As soon as we came here, our mission was to absorb the intensity of this demon that's here, destroying us. And the understanding of what it really is. And most of the wisdom through the ages has been eradicated or hidden from us. And we have been asleep. We have been in someone else's nightmare. And those of us here in Australia are supremely lucky because we're here in the dream time at the beginning. And those of us who are tuning in to this information coming from both directions and turning into your heart and empowering you with light, whatever you want to call it, life force, your destiny lighting up. What you have to do is you have to light up your bones, because in your bones there is the map of the universe, the Akashic records. Everything that is, will be, and was, and will be is there. And this is what's flowing through our bones. And we have to activate that at this present point in time, because most others have already, are being turned off. And we have to understand that there are some of us here who can turn on even through the darkness and shine bright. So health and the King and Queen Souls is that even the spiritual realm has its army. But his army can only work through you into the physical realm. So you have to attune yourself into allowing your contractual agreements that you made to bring these king and queen souls onto this plane. And the only way that you can do that is to allow your physical embodiment to start accepting multiple points of light directed into your heart. The chakras are being melded together into the heart. The Piscean age was separation. Separate the 11 kingdoms, the 7 of in the human, 7 chakras. And we shall start talking about getting ready, getting our physical presence, our physical body, ready to accept a higher order and the next level of your conscious. And there is only one way you can do that. You can't do that by not accepting the criteria within your own imagination that is the apparatus within you, your technology, to light up and accept these great souls who are coming through and want to access you. It's first come, first serve. The sooner you attune your psyche and your body and your connection, I'll say to the Godhead, whatever you want to call that, and I'll let you know what it is. To the Godhead, and let it flow through your heart. That is your only technology that you can transcend. It can't happen any other way. We're all the same. The human body is all the same. Some of us may have been genetically altered. Some of us may have had our souls taken. And we're just a consciousness through spirit. And that's understandable. But those of us who both have spirit and soul must connect and understand that there is a technology within you that you need to bring into being. The light is coming in. The firmament is becoming thinner. The dimensional veils are opening. And if your consciousness is not ready to accept that, you have been misdirected. You have been pointed in the wrong direction by the wrong people. So that's something you must understand. There are two fundamental understandings that one must come to when interacting with both God and the goddess, the male and the female, anima, animus. The God is consciousness, spirit, external, outside oneself. The goddess is who we are and what we're made of and what we're connected to. And we have access to both of those. And in diabolical religious circles, the technology has been diminished in the understanding, and the words that we cast upon ourselves in this current paradigm are mere spells to keep us ignorant and unattentful and away from our true domain, which are system busters. We are system busters. We come into consciousness within systems throughout the universe. We are sent there to bust these systems open. And this collective group of souls that are here at the moment are here to bust this system open. But you have to let your ego dissolve and have no attachment to the outcome of what you're about to do, but to the information that you are going to be, the information that you are going to be connected to inside of you. Nothing is external. Remember, evil only exists in the mind. So the war is in the mind. And those who have seen fit to enter the alternative army of parasites that are existing in this current paradigm because they have found ways to, because they know that there is a holy order that has come here to do something. But in the way that we know it, in the sense that we are here to observe. We're not here to interact. We're here to find our cave and grow evolutionary and revolutionary. And those of you out there who are heeding this call and need to reunify yourself with Source, with the true driving force that is giving you life and consciousness. You have access to this, and yet the common world basically denies its existence. And those who are doomed because you are trying to see if you are one of them and not truly a chosen one. And it's not an understanding of answering a call. It is something that once you find the quiet within yourself, your technology that has been so ravaged within this current paradigm will be turned on. And if you have to turn it on, then turn it on you must. So, how do we do that? the sun, the light, the photons that come into your consciousness, that grow food, that grow hair, that grow everything, also need to go inside of you. And your eyes are mirrors. No, not mirrors. Your eyes are magnifying glasses. We have had the magnifying glass damaged on one side. That's our external reality. We have had our greatest gifts damaged, but not by what you think. And we'll come back to that. So look into the sun. The only way you can light yourself up inside is from the photos of the sun. You light that up, you look, you'll find that there is almost a portal that will create itself and feed you the energy that you need for that moment. That needs to do half of the work. The other half of the work is bare feet on the ground, grounding into the earth. There is something inside the earth that you must understand, and you must connect with it. This is the divine feminine. This is where it lays. This is why we are called Mother Earth. You must connect with Mother Earth. She is here. And she is waiting for your connection. When is the last time you went out into the countryside, bare feet on the earth, and introduced yourself to this planet? Tell me. You must do that. You are here. And you have to clock in. If you find that you're special and you need some information to take you to the next stage of your reality and your awareness, then this is it. The chakras are being melded together, but the energy is coming up from the earth into the heart and in from the eyes into the body to light the body up, make it disease-free, parasite-free. And then you have access to the Akashic, which is your bones. You are a microcosm of the universe. The universe looks exactly like you. And here we are blessed with this spark that will keep us illuminated so we can do our job. So the fear doesn't touch us. The meditation skills of those who are purveying what And where you need to do is has been taken out of context. You are sceptical. You need to put your feet on the ground. Your soul is connected to the ground. The sole of your feet, where every nerve ends. And there will be messages. Once you create a connection, and you will, because what you are trying to find is also trying to find you. So you have to meet in the middle point. The middle point of our consciousness is the heart. The middle point of our soul is the earth, and the middle point of our connection to Great Spirit is the mind. And now you have to introduce them all. There are those of you who have felt for many years that you are special, that you are here to do great things beyond the greatest of things that are being done at the moment. You know there is more, but you limit yourself in not understanding the human as a technology within itself, a divine technology, a massive consciousness that can destroy darkness relatively easy. And you now have to become a conduit to allow these kings and queens souls through. You have made the contract, honor the contract. Look into the sun. Light up your body from the inside. If it hurts, look away, but then look back. Don't stop looking. This will light up half your technology, your macabre, they call it. This will light up your macabre. And if you have listened to Travalo Melchizedek and the Wheel of Life, you may understand what the macabre is. But you have to light up two technologies within inside of you. One of them is the light that comes in through the sun, through your eyes, and lights up the photons that come in. Sun is collective soul. Sun is all souls who are not here on this journey. They have been joined together for you to feed on if you allow yourself to accept their light. And the earth, the great story of the earth, of Mother Earth, the great wisdom that has been taken away from us, and the savagery that's been put in place, is abhorrent. The Divine Mother has awakened, but she needs your strength to take us all home, past the layers of fear, past the layers of damage. They don't exist where we're going. So it's first come, first serve. Light yourself up. These contracts are only activated internally, not externally. Your DNA has been conveniently doubled, but that new strand needs to be activated. And the genetic story that you have been flowing through till now needs to go to the next level. So wherever you are, and whoever you are, look at the sun. Light your mind. It will accept the beauty of experience. Feel it flowing through your heart. Then stand on the earth simultaneously and feel the information coming through to your soul, to the soles of your feet. Any other soul is religious lexicon to dominate. There's no soul. The soul is the sole of your feet, which is connected to the earth, to the mother. That's your soul. There's no other soul that exists. Oh, where's the soul? There's only one soul. Always has been one soul. That's the bottom of your feet. That when you make that connection, to the great pleromic mastery of manifestation, who is here with us and who created us. For the Great One, or for the Prime Creator to experience the unlocking of fear. Finally, the greatest battle on earth and in the universe. But is it a battle? Or is it one side has taken effect and are pursuing with concepts like money, wealth, power, force? Or is it because they have you distracted? That's what you have to ask yourself. Is it because they have you distracted? And what religion you are, it doesn't matter. You're here in Australia. This is the land of the dream time. This is where it started. And you have access to the beginning. And those who are outside of this realm will come for this information to the right people. So, my dear ones, if your light has been dimmed, this is the way to shine. Let the love come through your heart. The only way that you can make this love come through your heart is to light yourself up inside with both light and information. And it's there for you. It's inside of you. All you need to do is to find the right technology to connect it. You need the information that is on the ground, that is under your feet. There is something here that you must know about. And the energy that will be interacting with you is who created you for this moment. Not the drones, not the sheeple, those who created you. So please, start lighting up. Start accepting the next stage of your journey. The Father, the Prime Creator, the universal sentient dominion that has allowed us to be here. But also there are aeons, part of this dominion, that are here to co-create with us. Time to shine. Stay sacred, if you can.